And a third angel sounded, and there fell a great star from heaven, burning as it was a lamp, and it fell up on, not to, up on the third part of the rivers, and upon the fountains of water. And the name of the star is called Wormwood, and a third of the waters became wormwood, and many people died of the waters because they were made bitter. Now, to me, a star ablaze like a torch falling upon the earth, upon the earth, not to the earth, sounds like a comet in our atmosphere. And obviously the particles of the comet will be the dust, the material that will make the waters bitter. And it says by drinking the water, very important, by drinking the water people will die. Now does this sound a bit familiar? Here we go. Here's the Black Death of 1347, which they say was caused by rats and fleas or whatever. But there is one description of someone that says that there was something going on with the planets at that time that would have caused it. Well, all you have to do is look at this painting, and you can see here, you know, there and there, you have two comets, even, you know, two comets. The Bible just talks about one here for wormwood, but you know, there's two here. And obviously you can see these people in pain and obviously dying. You know, it wiped out what, 60% of the population. It's sort of around Britain and Europe. I believe it's going to be a rerun all over again. And here's the scary part: the evil one's number 666. Well, if you add 1347 with 666, you come up with 2013, which is just passed. You know, it's real now. There fell a great star from the heavens, burning as it was a lamp, and it fell upon the third part of the rivers and upon the fountains of water. And it made people, and many men died of the waters because they became bitter. And here we have it. That Black Death was nothing to do with the rats. It was the comets were in our atmosphere, was giving us a good dusting, and it's gone into the water system. I believe the chemical might actually be cyanide. That's just a little, you know, one of my feelings that I have in my head, that it might be cyanide that comes off the comet. And then you get the boiling black blood plague, which actually, in a prophecy which you'll find on my YouTube channel, a prophecy by Almighty Wind Ministry, they actually given a prophecy, and it says the boiling black blood plague is in the incubation stage, and it is ready to be released. And that was in 2006. So, you know, there's a good chance of this coming back. Also, in the Denver airport, they seem to have a guy here with a gas mask on. You see a lot of people hurting, dying and whatever. It might be that the Illuminati know about this. That's why they put someone in a gas mask. They'll say, oh, there's a big virus, a viral epidemic going on, and then that will give them the power to like issue martial law over people, or maybe, you know, just to kill people because they believe that, you know, or lock them up, you know, quarantine them or something like that, when very, very purely it's just when you see that comet out there, you know, you'll know, well, you know, not to drink the water. Or if you hear the third trumpets sound, don't drink the water afterwards. It's as simple as that. So if you want to prepare for it, you'd get bottled water in already prepared. That's if you live in a place which is not going to be affected by the 6th seal pole shift or the first and second trumpet. You'd get yourself in a stock of water before this happens. So this needs to be spread out, and everyone needs to know about it, that all it is just poisoned water. So it, you know, there's no virus going around, or vermin spreading it. Plain and simple. When you see that comet, now I don't like to date set or anything, but people need to watch out for these comets that are possible signs, let's say, because there's one coming in right now, Comet Linear, and it is going to come past us at such an angle. Like Comet Ison and other comets, they go past us more or less at the right angle. As they come around the sun, they come back out and they come across our orbit. Now Comet Linear is taken, as you'd say, a wide angle. Let's say like he was driving a truck going around the sun. He didn't want to take it at a sharp turn, and Comet Linear is coming in at a wide angle, and by that it will actually come in nearly straight line orbit with us, rather than going past us at 90 degrees. It'll be flat with us, which means we'll go past more of its dust than anything else. Now I'm not saying Comet Linear will be wormwood, but I'm not saying it won't. So we just need to be aware of what's going on, and I hope this video has just explained the signs to look out for this wormwood, the effects of it, that people will die when they drink the water, and just then not to drink the water. I don't know about testing. If you had some litmus paper, I think you could maybe fill a cup up with it, and fresh water is usually probably in the middle. It's around 6, I would have thought. More pure, fresh, more mineral water will be around 7. But I think that if you test this bitter water of wormwood, I think the litmus paper might be giving us more acidic readings, maybe 4, 3, something like that. And that's the only thing that I could suggest that you could do to actually test water to see if it is. And also a visual test, just to see if it's clear. It might be murky, or it might be discoloured in some way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and share it about and let everyone know about it. Thanks a lot. God bless you.